Exploring the art of conversation, similes sparkle in speech. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of similes, one of the most colorful aspects of the English language. They're everywhere, from poetry to everyday speech, and learning how to use them will take your English-speaking skills to the next level. Similes can make your conversations more vivid, engaging, and expressive. A simile is an idiomatic expression that makes a comparison between two different things using the words like or as. This figurative language tool is used to make descriptions more emphatic or vivid. For example, consider the simile, as quick as a flash. Here, the speed of someone or something is being compared to a flash, suggesting that it's extremely fast. In spoken English, similes are not just about poetic flair, but about creating vivid imagery and facilitating deeper understanding. By comparing one thing to another, you're able to convey complex emotions, descriptions, and ideas in an understandable way. For instance, saying, "John worked like a dog," provides a stronger, more vivid image of John's hard work and tirelessness than just saying, "John worked hard." To effectively use similes, follow these steps. 1. Identify the concept. Decide what concept, emotion, or idea you want to express. 2. Find a comparison. Think of something that embodies the characteristics of what you're trying to describe. 3. Formulate your simile. Use like or as to compare the two things. Here's an example. Suppose you want to describe the feeling of happiness. It might feel like floating or flying, so you could say, "I was as happy as a bird." The best way to learn is through practice. Start by trying to insert similes in your daily conversation. For example, instead of saying, "She's very intelligent," say, "She's as smart as a whip." Instead of saying, "He's brave," say, "He's as brave as a lion." The more you practice, the more naturally these expressions will come to you. That's all for today's journey into the vibrant world of similes. Remember, the key to mastering similes is practice, practice, practice. So, go out there and add some color to your conversations with similes. We hope you found this lesson useful, and as always, happy learning!